One of America's most popular and well-loved breakfast staples of all times, pancakes, also known as flapjacks, topped with a spread of maple syrup, fluffy and delicious. But here's the dilemma we face as pancake lovers, seeking to cut down on our carbs. There's several low-carb alternatives out there, but do they have what it takes to convert us over from the original pancakes we're all so accustomed to? And this is what I'm going to attempt to confirm here with you today as I cook two brands of pancake batters, one representing our original mix, Aunt Jemima, the queen of pre-mixed batters who needs no introduction, and the other representing our keto mix made by Birch Benders. We're going to conduct a side-by-side comparison, evaluating both contestants to see just how well the keto mixes actually stand up in the kitchen against its counterpart. We'll look at nutritional value, preparation, texture, whether it delivers the fluffiness of the original pancakes, and taste. Yeah, how well it satisfies the good old taste buds. The scoreboard is set at 0. Each contestant will receive a point for each criteria that it performs well as we go forth and prepare our dishes. So let the battle begin. Serving size is 2 pancakes. We have Aunt Jemima weighing in at 160 calories, 1 gram of fat, 5 grams of protein, 33 grams of carbs, 1 gram of dietary fiber, a total of 32 net carbs. We have Birch Benders weighing in at 160 calories, 11 grams of fat, 9 grams of protein, 10 grams of carbs, 5 grams of dietary fiber, giving Birch Benders a total of only 5 grams of net carbs. Without a doubt, in this round, Birch Benders dominates its component, offering a healthier nutritional value at a low 5 net carbs. Birch Benders, congratulations, you earn a point for this round. Batter already comes totally complete right out of the package. Just add water. Can't get any simpler than this, can it? So let's go ahead and mix our batters with water according to the measurements provided on each package. Over here with Aunt Jemima, in goes 2 cups of mix. Add 1.5 cups of water into a large bowl. Over here with our keto mix, and goes 2/3 of a cup of the mix and 1/2 cup of water. For thicker pancakes, use less water. Manually mix. No need to bring out your electric mixers or fancy kitchen gadgets for this job. Again, keeping it quick and simple. All you need is a large spoon to get the job done. Mix until the large lumps are dissolved. Alert! Do not overmix. Now see here, there's a difference in the color. The keto mix has a more yellowish color to it, but the consistency of the two batters feel just about the same. We'll allow our batters to sit for a few minutes, which allows the batter to thicken. Meanwhile, let's get our skillets, our electric griddles, heated to 375, which is medium-high on most conventional stoves. Lightly grease your surface area. You can use olive oil, butter, or nonstick spray. I'm pouring olive oil into my griddle and spreading it with a paper towel to ensure even coverage around my entire surface. Pour a spoonful of mix onto the heated surface. It expands outward into a circular shape. Allow it to cook on this side for about 90 seconds. You'll know when it's ready to flip because it begins to bubble on the top like this here. A tip for soft and fluffy pancakes is to only flip once. So if you want nice and fluffy pancakes, avoid flipping them more than once. Therefore, lift up one of the corners and take a peek to make sure you have a nice golden color before flipping. The Aunt Jemima pancakes seem to be bubbling quicker, so we'll go ahead and flip her over and give our keto pancakes more time to bubble. Over to our scoreboard. Preparation is certainly a breeze, with both contestants offering quick and extremely simple prep. Aunt Jemima earning 1 point for preparation, and Birch Benders also earning 1 point for preparation. Well done! At this point, visually, I really can't tell the two apart. They both have a nice fluffy texture and a beautiful golden color. Let's see if you can tell which is which. Quickly in the comments below. From this screenshot, tell me which is which. Is Aunt Jemima A or B? Go ahead in the comments and give me your selections quickly, and I'll wait. Okay, times is up. Let's see if you answered correctly. All right, let the clip continue to roll. Pancake A, Aunt Jemima. Did you all get it right? Really and truly, I definitely cannot tell the difference. I must say thus far, the keto pancakes are holding up pretty well against the America's all-time popular Aunt Jemima, taking the lead in the nutritional value, breaking even and easy prep, and yet another tie in texture. Can these keto pancakes come out victorious? We are about to find out right now as we enter into the final challenge, the Taste Challenge. Hey guys, if you just don't have the leisure time to make a batch of these from scratch and you've been looking for a pre-made batter to make your time in the kitchen quick and easy, this is it, y'all. Texture is great. To be honest though, I can taste a slight grit from the almond flour, but that's not a big deal for me. You can offset that taste with adding some blueberries to the mixture, or as a topping, maybe some strawberries. Perfect fix. So, my honest opinion, we have a winner, guys. And here are some more delicious, quick and easy low-carb recipes that I think you'll also absolutely love. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss out on new videos of low-carb, keto-friendly recipes that are posted every week. God bless you. See you on the next video. Peace and blessings.